Fifth semester. Today, we will be continuing the topic that is how to equip a home economics department. And today we'll be doing clothing and textile. So, the good home economics department provides adequate facilities for studying selection and the nature of textile. Obviously, all the clothing, we need all the stuff which is related to clothing and textile, and for performing all that physical and chemical uh, practicals of the textile, and especially all the equipments as like ironing boards and machines, sewing machine, knitting machines. So we need to have a lab which have all these things so that we can carry out the practical of clothing and textile. Then it's related arts. Obviously, again, the major thing that ventilated labs and good lighting and everything, and especially additional facilities are the provision of designing, drapery and furniture refining, advanced work in interior and consumer designing. It should include many opportunities for creative work with fabric design, color, texture, for observation and work experiences in textile mills and clothing manufacturers. So we all need these all things if we want to start a department. Then objects such as pictures, wall hangings, pottery, and all the things you need to decorate walls, offices. You need that areas while you want to equip an home economics department. So then it's home manager. I hope I have did that home management and housing department. We did it before. So this was all from all the five departments. Some things are in common in all departments. While if you want to equip the departments, and other another part, some points are generalized and some are like if we talk about home economics, food and nutrition, that should be related